How to use AI paragraph writer in Simplified AI. First, make sure to check the link provided in the description below. This will give you easy access to the tool we'll be using. Once you're there, log into your existing account or simply use your Google account to sign in. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Templates tab in the left side corner of your screen. It's the perfect starting point for our paragraph writing adventure. In the search bar, type Paragraph Writer and click on the tool that appears below it. This remarkable tool will help us generate well-structured and impactful paragraphs. Let's get started by choosing a topic. As an example, I'll type in, "Do aliens are real?" Feel free to enter your topic of interest. Once you've entered your topic, click on Advanced Options to unlock some powerful features that will allow you to fine-tune your results. Here, you can set the number of result paragraphs you desire, adjust the creativity level, and even choose the preferred language. When you're done, click Generate to generate an initial paragraph. Take a moment to review the generated paragraph if it meets your expectations. If not, no worries. You can generate a new paragraph by activating the Advanced Options again and adjusting the settings. Simply click Generate to produce a new fresh set of results. When you find the paragraph that resonates with you, you can click the heart symbol in the top right corner of the paragraph to add it to your favorites. You can also duplicate it if needed. What if you want to make some edits to the chosen paragraph? No problem. Click on the Open an Editor button located in the top right corner of the results. The editor panel will open. On the right side of your screen, display the results. Locate the chosen paragraph, click the plus icon, and make your modifications. You can even use the editing tools provided above the text. Once you're done, copy the paragraph and paste it wherever you need it. Sharing your paragraph is made easy too. Simply click the Share button located in the top right corner of your screen to share it via email. If you want to have a hard copy of your paragraph, simply click the Export button, also located in the top right corner of your screen. You have the option to save it as a docx or PDF file. Once you select your desired format, click Download and save the file to your computer.